थोड़ा मेरे थोड़ा उतने वाले कौन करेगा ध्यान देश में मुझे बोलिए मेरे चावल का वो Yeah, this is the next problem. Everybody is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 12 earlier there were 15. Now 2 still are there.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, my voice is clear, audible.
Yes. Yes, sir.
For all of you, one important thing which we are doing from this session, all of you, is that we will be recording this session every time. So if by any chance you miss out a session or two, I will be sending you the link and you can see this session later on. So that thing we are starting from this particular session. I have started recording. So please remember. So ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आपका कुछ मिस हो जाएगा. Okay. Okay. The next problem is click on again all the squares where the knife can move, including capture. किसी का तो माइक्रोफोन चालू है. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Look at the board. Where this knight can move. So simple answer here, not here because family member, it cannot move. Here, 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 here. That's all. Even not here, again family member is there. Cannot capture family member. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 squares is the answer. If you have noted this down with your eyes also, that is very good. We will move fast ahead. Similar problems. Click. You have to note which particular squares this knight can move. The answer is this, G3, H4, E3, even this also, D4, the knight can capture, D6, E7, G7, again knight can capture enemy pawn, and H6. So all 8 squares it can move itself. Clear हो रहा है सबको? धीरे धीरे easy हो रहा है? Yeah, good. कविन, तूने नाम नहीं बदला बेटा. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. अभी बहुत सारे पीसेस आ गए, बाप रे. You have to use white knight to capture all the black pawns. Remember, all the black pawns. So you have to find out the correct route. अगर आपका रूट गलत है तो you will not be able to capture all the pawns. एक pawn रह जाएगा. So correct,
Yes, sir, done.
correct,
Sir, I also got.
correct route is very important. I will,
Done, sir.
yeah, I will show you.
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done.
Now look. First is this common sense. Now second, if at all knight captures c3, c6, it is a bad move because after c6 you can capture a5 and then capture this. So ये e का pawn or g pawn will remain. And if you capture this pawn after this, so this is wrong. There it is showing it is wrong, right? If you capture this and then this pawn and then this pawn, then this a5 and b3 pawn will remain. So the correct route is afterwards. This is good. Then this is good. Then this is good. Then this and then this. Everybody got this? So the route is very important. वो आपके नजर से आपको समझ में चाहिए कि मुझे नेक्स्ट क्या मिल रहा है. कोई भी मूव के बाद आपको वही ध्यान में रहना है कि ये मूव के बाद आगे क्या. आई एम मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. नाउ ब्लैक नाइट को यूज करना है सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम एंड कैप्चर ऑल द पॉन्स. हियर इट इज वेरी सिंपल, simpler than the earlier problem. Common sense, this, because
Sir, done.
yeah, no choice, only one choice is all the time, so it is easier for all of you.
Sir, done.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, done.
Done.
Very good, very good. So simple. This was much simpler. Earlier was difficult because it had the choice. Now one of the knight, you have to look at all the knights. One of the knight out of 4 can capture opponent's piece. So which knight is able to capture opponent's piece?
Sir,
A5.
B3.
Correct, correct. Here you will find that I am saying piece to the pawn also. So all these 16 coins on the chessboard, chessmen, they are called as piece only. Sometimes some school of thought, some says it is pieces and pawns differently, and we say pieces to all.
Correct, sir.
One of the knight on the board can capture opponent's piece. Again, which knight and which piece?
Sir, I got.
It is
Easy.
easy.
C3 to D5.
Yes, correct.
Understand the question.
Again, you want again? Yeah.
D5. Sir, answer is D5.
Correct. So the night is over. Very good. So today we have done with now rook also, knight also, queen also, bishop I am not taking, and king also I am not taking because it is very easy. Now we will go with castling. Okay, castling, and I have to teach you one more power of the pawn, that is, as I said, en passant or en passant. So what would you like to know, en passant or castling? Because there are rules.
Sir, N percent.
En passant.
N pass.
Okay. So you are ready now?
What?
As I said, you have pawn has 3 powers, right? One of the power of the pawn now remember these words clearly. Both the sides are given equal opportunity, right? यहाँ पर किसी को भी ज्यादा वेटेज नहीं दिया जाता है. So this equality is very important. So here what happens, supposing, look at the board, keeping all the pawns. Okay, किंग हमेशा रखते हैं, इसके लिए किंग को रखता हूँ. विदाउट किंग बोर्ड कभी अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So now you have chance of moving this pawn 2 steps ahead, right? Supposing you started with this pawn only, opponent started with this pawn, again you started with this pawn, opponent did this, now it is your turn, you did this. Now look very carefully. Now you have invited your opponent to kill this way, right? But instead of that, opponent has moved this, refused to attack, refused to capture. Then it is your turn. You did this. Now, opponent wanted to come over here and opponent did this. Here, now opponent, because of his special power to directly jump 2 squares, it is coming over here. Thereby ये पॉन का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है यहाँ पर मारने का, किलिंग का, जो कि अगर पॉन यहाँ पर आता था तो white would have got this opportunity to capture this pawn. But what black has done, utilized special power and directly jumped to 2 squares, thereby denying his opportunity. See again, मैंने क्या कहा, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलना है दोनों को, और यहाँ पर जस्ट बिकॉज दो स्क्वायर्स आगे जा सकते हैं, इसके लिए व्हाइट पॉन का अपॉर्चुनिटी उसने ब्लैक ने डिनाई कर दिया. टू ओवरकम दिस स्पेशल पावर कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. मींस यहाँ पर वो स्पेशल पावर काम में आता है, दैट इज en passant. The special power says when pawn is in fifth line, okay, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth for white. For black this is fifth, this is fifth, this is fifth for black. Okay, now we are thinking about white. So when pawn reaches fifth line, it gets that pawn. Rule number 1. Rule number 2, if opponent moves like this, you have to assume that pawn is not here, pawn is here only. Just assume. और यहाँ पर assume करने के बाद आपको ये kill कर सकते हो this way. So similarly, when pawn reaches over here, you simply move your pawn over here, okay, in a blank square and remove this. As if you have captured. It is a capturing process. उसके आगे के स्क्वायर को जाना है आपको and you capture it. This particular procedure is called as en passant or en passant. Okay, here the rule is very clear. आपको fifth रो में जाना है, fifth रो में, और साइड का पॉन, यहाँ का या यहाँ का कोई भी पॉन, यहाँ का या यहाँ का, should directly come to 2 square. This is rule number 2. And what is third rule? You have to exercise this power immediately. Means in this particular example, supposing ये pawn यहाँ पर आ गया and this pawn, white said yes, I want to move this pawn. It is now black's turn. Black moved this. Now white says अरे मैं ये मार सकता हूँ. So no, it is not possible. Your chance went off. क्योंकि जैसे ही ये pawn H pawn move हो गया, next move only you have chance. Only 3 rules. Fifth rank, 2 square आ जाएगा बाजू वाला pawn and immediate exercise of the power. Only 3 rules. Otherwise you cannot exercise. and all these pawns has got this power. ऐसा नहीं कि इसने exercise किया तो बाकी लोगों को नहीं है. Every pawn when they reach to the 5th rank, they can do this n%. Secondly, it can do this side also and this side also, both sides. अभी एक एग्जांपल मैं देता हूँ यहाँ यहीं पर. ये पॉन आगे किया, इसने इसको मारा नहीं, ये मारा नहीं मारा, इसने ये किया. तो नेक्स्ट मूव तो इसने ये किया, ये तो मार नहीं सकता, यू नो दैट, इमीडिएटली मारना चाहिए. ओके, इसने ये मूव किया, वापस ब्लैक का टर्न है, ब्लैक ने ये चाल चला. नाउ दिस मूव अगेन इट हैज अ इमीडिएट चांस ऑफ किलिंग इट. सो ये पॉन का पावर जो है वो गया नहीं, ये पॉन को नहीं मारा तो पावर नहीं गया, पावर रिमेन फॉर द नेक्स्ट पॉन. खाली वो इमीडिएट जो पॉन है उसके लिए ही पावर एक्सरसाइज हो सकता है. It cannot exercise this power for peace. It is only pawn against pawn. Everybody got this clearly?
Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
regarding this? Because I will take the drill, and it is with drill this will be very easy for you. So I will take the drill. Fantastic. Fantastic. Now it is, the drill is yes and no only. So you have to write in your notebook y or n, yes or no, that's all. Okay. Now the question is whether white pawn can capture black pawn n%, means that n% way. Whether it can capture. The answer is no.
No, sir.
No, because it is a very clear crossover, normal crossover. It is not in 5th rank. It is not
Sir,
in
what is the meaning of peasant?
minimum. What?
Sir, what is the meaning of peasant?
Minimum percent. I didn't get you. The idea
Sir,
is
what is the last word in the line of question? Can
Acha.
white capture black pawn?
that is n%. N%. That is what I pronounce. No? Its pronunciation is in French. It's a French word. En passant. It is called. It is pronounced as en passant. Somebody, if is learning French, perhaps they will be able to tell me properly, because I haven't learned French. So one of my students told me this is the pronunciation. That is why I am doing it. If you are learning French, please tell me. So answer is no. Next question. Now just see this. After this, ये pawn अभी यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया. So can this pawn, white pawn on E, n% this pawn? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is the right answer.
Yes.
It is the right answer. Yes. Correct. Next question. Move one of the white pawn so that it will be captured en passant. So which pawn you will move so that it will get captured? Which pawn? The question is that which pawn? Whether it is H pawn or G pawn
Sir,
or,
white.
or this
Sir,
pawn.
pawn on C2
Correct.
to C4.
Correct. This is the, so that it will get captured. Yes, perfectly well. Very good. Next pawn चाहिए बस. Now, move one of the black pawn so that it can be captured en passant. Which pawn you will move? Black pawn, black's turn.
संपत G5 9 6 नंबर राहिला पाहिजे.
पाचवा नंबर.
G.
G5 बरोबर आहे तेच.
Sir, G5.
Correct. Absolutely correct. Next.
तुला नाही कळलं हे?
मी सांगितलं ना उत्तर तुला.
Now after this move, just you have seen the move.
One of the white
One of
pawns
the white pawn can capture on passant. Which pawn will capture? See, this pawn,
E5 to F6.
F5.
correct. E5 to F6, correct. That's correct. You are getting it. Your end position is simple, basically. If you understand these three rules, it is easy. Not hardly 2 or 3 questions left. One of the black pawn you have to move so that it will get captured by en passant. Which pawn you will move?
Sir, E5 pawn.
E5 pawn you will move. No, wrong answer. See, when opponent want to capture your pawn, opponent's pawn should be in 5th rank. तो 5th rank में ये pawn है. तो ये किसको कैप्चर करेगा? ये रैंक का पॉन कैप्चर करेगा या तो ये रैंक का पॉन जाने के बाद. सो दिस इज द आंसर. नेक्स्ट.
Next.
After this move, you have seen the move. Use one of the white pawn to capture it.
6.
And use one of the white pawns to capture it.
B6.
Correct. Correct. Very much correct. Can move one of the pawn so that it can be captured. व्हाइट का पॉन आपको मूव करना है. कौन सा पॉन मूव करेंगे तो वो कैप्चर हो जाएगा और कहां पर?
G4. E4. E4.
Correct, correct, correct. Very good. You are understanding perfectly well.
सर H5 में भी जा सकते हैं G4.
नहीं 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 नहीं. I will show you. I will show you. H5 you said. H5 अगर इधर गया ना तो भी कैप्चर जो है वो ये पॉन कैप्चर करेगा. This pawn will capture this pawn. So it is not an end pattern. No. So this is wrong answer. And this is the right answer. क्योंकि 5th रैंक से 6th रैंक को आना चाहिए कैप्चरिंग के टाइम. रिमेंबर
पर हम लोग G4 से H5 तक कर सकते हैं.
H5 को आ सकता है लेकिन ये G4 को जो जाएगा वो दूसरा ही pawn कैप्चर होगा, not this pawn. And again I am telling you, your pawn should be in 5th rank. Black का pawn 5th rank में है क्या?
सर white को चला के कर सकते हैं.
नहीं 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 नहीं.
Hello?
Any misunderstanding, please I will clear it. Don't worry about that. Okay?
सर पर
इसको
white
समझिए.
वाला black को कर सकते हैं.
एक मिनट. कौन पूछ रहा है पहली बात तो?
सर
Dhairya. Yes, Dhairya. What do you want? Your voice is actually cutting, and if you can speak in Marathi also, will do, no issues. Or Hindi also, no issues.
सर वो जो G4 white वाला black को मार सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं, G4 white वाला black को मार सकता है क्या? Let us see.
Hello, sir.
व्हाइट वाला
H5
ब्लैक
को
को मार सकता है, लेकिन अपना क्वेश्चन क्या है कि व्हाइट को कंपलसरी मूव करना है सो दैट इट विल गेट कैप्चर्ड. क्वेश्चन इज नॉट दैट. नहीं तो जी वाला ये जो है ये इसको कैप्चर कर ही सकता है, दिस ये आराम से कर सकता है. दैट इज डिफरेंट थिंग. क्वेश्चन इज वी आर नाउ लर्निंग एन पैशंट ओनली, नथिंग एल्स. ओके ओके धैर्य.
सर
ओके सर.
अगर भी व्हाइट ने वो पॉन कैप्चर किया होता तो फिर जो पॉन मतलब जिसने ऑन पॉसॉन्ग किया होता वो बिशप को मारता ताकि किंग को भी चेक होता और ज्यादा पॉइंट मिलता.
Very much correct, Vivan. You know it. You are a little bit ahead of them. Come on, no issues. सबको मैं तेरे साथ लेके आऊंगा, डोंट वरी. अब तेरे साथ आ जाएंगे धीरे धीरे. Very good. Now here, after this move by white pawn, use one of the black pawn to capture it. Okay? कौन सा move किया अभी? ले नहीं हो रहा.
C4.
Yeah, E4. So that means this is the capture. You got this, everybody? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next. This is perhaps last problem. After this move, black pawn. अभी black pawn यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया. Okay? E7 से यहाँ आ गया. तो इसमें से कौन सा pawn इसको मारेगा? ये pawn मारेगा या ये pawn मारेगा?
ये D.
Sir, D5 pawn.
Correct.
D5 to E6.
Correct, correct. Everybody knew about this. Everybody knew about this. Yeah. So I am stopping my session over here. Okay.